Have you seen these types of videos? On GTA, they just edit this. I will show you how to make this video. First off, what I did, I was taking a screenshot like this, and then asked the ChatGPT to analyze this one. I did say all this, and it gave me some prompts. And I got these prompts right here, you can see. But then I said change it to San Andreas, and it got this one. This was pretty good, and this was also better. And then I said change this to the Viking Age. That goes these pictures right here. I like this one. And how to make this a video, you have to use Kling on Higgsfield. So I got this picture right here. I just asked ChatGPT somewhere down here to make it look like the Viking Age. Do the same, but for GTA Vice City, the Viking Age. And I took this picture and I went into video here on Higgsfield and Kling. And I asked ChatGPT to make another prompt for Kling. So I can just be lazy and post it here. And it works better if I do this instead of writing myself. That took 6 seconds and 720p, and I just generated. And this is my result. I kinda like this one, and this is how this guy is doing his type of videos. He just keep repeating these things all over, and making all of these views here with just using AI. So if you want to try and make a video like this, it's very simple. Use ChatGPT and Higgsfield, and I use, when try to generate a picture, I always like the GPT image. It always makes the best quality, the best result you want. You can try Seedream. It's more like it's hard to describe this one, but maybe I can show you. I think this was like Seedream. No, this is Seedream. Whenever I do Seedream, I never like the results. So if you want to go for do an image, do GPT Image or Nano Banana Pro. Even if it costs credits, it's better than using this Seedream. So if you like this video, now you know how to do it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and watch the next video.